Why is there an echo on TikTok Live and how to fix it? Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. First of all, an echo on TikTok Live can be caused by several factors like audio feedback, multiple devices, or microphone issues within your device itself. Now, it can also caused by poor internet connection, like a lagging internet connection can cause audio issues, including an effect on echo. Now, in order to fix it, first of all, you have to use headphones. This will prevent the microphone from picking up the device speaker output. And also you can try and reduce the volume of the device to maximize and minimize the volume. And likewise, you can also check for nearby devices. Make sure no other devices is playing your live stream so that you will not get an echo or sound disturbance while you are live. Once you do so, all you have to do is restart your device, launch your TikTok, and this shall work. That is all for today, guys. Thank you all for watching. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.